they have money or power.
Do you think justice is really equal for everyone? That's what we're going to talk about today. Equality before the law.
Our dignity, our character, our rights have all been under attack. And the platform of faith and religion assumed power yesterday.
An international watchdog has downgraded the Philippines' human rights rating over the killings of activists. The passage of the controversial
Nakarating na sa sitio Kapihan ang mga kinatawan ng Commission on Human Rights para imbestigahan ang umano'y pang-aabuso ng grupo ng isang
rights and freedom that belongs to every person.
For ourselves and others. In a world that injustice and inequality is normal, it is our duty to be the voice for those who are silenced, to others, and advocate for justice and equality in society.
Good day, everyone. Our topic is Article 7 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which is all about equality before the law. Article 7 says, all are equal before the law and are entitled without any discrimination to equal protection of the law. This means that everyone, rich or poor, young or old, deserves fair and equal treatment under the law.
Equality before the law is the idea that no one is above or below the law. But even today, some people still experience unfair treatment, especially those who are poor or discriminated. In the Philippines, many poor people can afford lawyers. Because of this, they stay in jail for a long time even if they're innocent. Meanwhile, rich people can easily get legal help. The Commission on Human Rights reminds us that justice should not depend on money. It should be for all.
In the United States, in the George Floyd case in 2020 showed how racial discrimination still exists. His death because of police violence led to worldwide protests demanding equality and justice. It became a reminder that equality before the law must be real, not just words.
The 1987 Philippine Constitution, Article 3, Section 1 states that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied equal protection of the law. This means every Filipino has the right to fair and equal protection, no exception. We believe that justice is for everyone, not just for rich. The powerful are the famous. Let's stand for fairness, equality, and truth.
Because real justice means no one is above the law and no one is left behind. So let's continue to promote human rights and protect the dignity of every person.